ogre feet?
Uh-huh. We were playing ogres and monsters, and I was one of the ogres. Rawr.
Did someone say ogres?
Luigi? You seem a little sad. Would you like to hear a joke? It'll make you laugh. Why did the stinky skunk cross the road? To get away from the ogre smell!
That's not funny.
Are ogres really so terrible?
Oh, for
they
sure.
are. Everyone knows ogres are mean and smelly.
Ogres are the worst monsters ever.
Oh no! What was that noise? Was it an ogre?
Dun dun dun! Have no fear! Mega Frankie is here! I will save you from the mean, stinky ogre and his horrible ogre feet!
Super monsters. Get out. Go. Leave.
What just happened?
I don't know, but Luigi is really upset.
Did my mega sizing scare him?
Maybe it was the joke I told?
Or my silly ogre feet.
We have to apologize. Luigi! We don't know what we did, but we're really sorry. Really, really sorry.
Oh, maybe we should just go home. We can try again tomorrow.
Bye, Luigi! I hope you feel better!
Oh,
Gerbus doesn't want us to leave yet. But what's he waiting for? I think he's waiting for me to come out and talk to you.
Luigi!
You all tell ogre jokes, but have any of you ever met an ogre?
Never.
I've met a lot of monsters in my life, but I've never met an ogre.
So, if none of you have ever met an ogre, how can you be so sure that ogres smell bad or that they're mean?
Well, we don't really know any of those things because we don't really know any ogres.
Oh dear, we were being prejudiced.
What's prejudiced?
Well, prejudiced is when we think we know something about a person or a group of people just because we've heard other people say those things are true.
Like thinking ogres are mean and stinky because that's what someone told us?
But they are mean and stinky. My Grandpa Mash always says so.
I have an idea. Super monsters, let's go make a pizza. Frankie, remember the first time you came to my restaurant? You told me you didn't like mushrooms on your pizza.
Uh-huh. I thought I didn't like mushrooms because Grandpa Mash doesn't like them.
But since you never tasted a mushroom, all you knew about them was what someone else told you was true.
That's right. And then you gave me a slice of mushroom pizza. And when I tried it, I loved it. I love mushroom pizza! It's my favorite!
But ogres aren't mushrooms.
That's right, Zoe. They're not. Because mushrooms don't have feelings. But ogres do.
They do?
Of course they do. Ogres are monsters just like all of you.
My grandma says that some humans don't believe that any monsters have feelings.
But that's not true. I feel things all the time. All the time.
We all do. Humans and monsters may look different on the outside, but we're all the same on the inside. In here, where it matters.
But if ogres have feelings just like us...
Then when we make fun of them, it must really hurt their feelings.
It does. No one likes to be made fun of. It's mean and makes us feel bad. Come on, super monsters. There's something I want to show you.
Luigi! Why do you have ogre feet?
I have ogre feet because I am an ogre.